There are moments in a professional life that feel like suspended parentheses, instances when one realizes that years of travel, encounters, sleepless nights, and passion suddenly crystallize into unexpected recognition. The day Forbes USA named us among the 12 most influential personalities in the world of travel, nothing had been anticipated, no speech prepared, only the profound surprise of seeing that a path shaped by curiosity, instinct, and boldness could cross oceans and resonate all the way to the highest spheres of the industry. For us, this distinction was not just another trophy. It was an homage to a vision, a reminder that one can craft remarkable journeys with soul, with a hand-woven network, and with an almost artisanal sensibility. When Serandipians by Traveler Made awarded us with the title of Most Creative Designer in 2016, and again in 2024, we felt something very simple, the joy of knowing that our way of dreaming the world was seen, understood, celebrated. That award ultimately is merely a symbol, the symbol of creativity carried like a banner, year after year. And then there was that moment in Thailand, at the Affineur Professional Travel Show, an electric atmosphere, an audience of experts, creators, storytellers. It was there that we received the award for Best Honeymoon Specialist. Speaking about price is always a delicate exercise, so instead of speaking in numbers, let us speak in cuisine. Because at its core, our craft is very similar to that of a Michelin-starred chef. Imagine such a chef composing an exceptional menu. To create a flawless culinary experience, he must gather vegetables at their perfect maturity, the freshest fish, meats of extraordinary tenderness, rare spices, and a chocolate whose secret only a handful of artisans possess. Each ingredient carries a cost. Every gesture requires mastery. And behind each plate stands an entire team, highly skilled, perfectly orchestrated in a kitchen where nothing is left to chance. Of course, a Michelin-starred chef could make a simple hamburger, but his organization, his expertise, his brigade, his standards, none of this can be offered for a few coins. Excellence has a structure, a precision, a depth, and these come at a price. Conversely, McDonald's possesses extraordinary intelligence in a completely different domain, that of standardized, rapid, efficient global production. They know how to produce thousands of hamburgers in minutes at the same price everywhere in the world. They excel at this, but they will never be able, structurally, humanly, artistically, to create a Michelin-starred menu. Our journeys follow precisely the same logic. We work with the finest hotels, the rarest experiences, the most dependable partners, always at the perfect moment. These are artisanal creations, unique, crafted with precision, the travel equivalent of a Michelin-starred tasting menu. The price is therefore not that of a standardized product, but that of a piece of craftsmanship shaped with care, expertise, and privileged access. Luxury is not about adding. It is about removing the superfluous to preserve only the essential, the true, the rare, the beautiful. And that, whether in gastronomy or in travel, has always held value.